we're standing in front of the 2012 International Variety Trial here. Every 4 years, scientists from around the world get together and discuss research of all different types on asparagus. But one of the things that a group of plant breeders get together every year, or every 4 years, and they take the new crosses that they've made, that they've done some initial screening, and then they separate those into two groups. One group goes to climates like we have here in Michigan, more temperate climates, and similar like you would find in northern and central Europe. And then another group of varieties go into the desert areas where they grow asparagus. It's a little different than what we have here. So every location tries to plant the same varieties, kind of in the same planting scheme. Of course, we get the seed 1 year. Usually go with transplants now to establish the field. We don't harvest that year. We don't harvest the following year. This one was established in 2012. We took just a few harvests off this year, kind of get past the frost season, and then we'll go into just a little bit less than full production next year. We'll probably harvest this for 3 to 4 weeks next year, full production the following year. So the first thing we look for is yield. I mean, a variety has to yield well, and if it doesn't, obviously growers are not going to be interested in planting it. Of the, I think we have maybe 36 different cultivars in this trial here. Most of them are just experimental crosses, and the vast majority will never see the market probably anywhere in the world. But once we determine that a variety starts yielding as well or better than the industry standards, then we start looking at things like tip quality, size of the spear, roundness. Does it get hollow in the center? Those type of characteristics. And because of course, first thing you have to have the yield, but then you also have to have the quality characteristics to go with that. Asparagus research is a long-term process, but gosh, you got to start somewhere.